What's the name?
Cartwright, Ronald Cartwright. Just Ron,
Okay.
I'm sorry, he said. Ron Cartwright.
Okay, I got him.
Here we go.
All right, Mr. Cartwright, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm gonna move you over to a different computer so I won't be looking directly at you.
Okay.
I see a no insurance, driving on suspended, tag violation, and no, no insurance, driving on suspended, and tag violation. October 11th, 2023 at 55th and Leavenworth Road. So what are you in jail for?
I am in jail for I was got into an argument with my ex-girlfriend that lives at my home. She hit me and I had a bag of chicken nuggets in my hand, and out of pure instinct, I swung them back. They were gonna cite both of they did cite both of us, and they were gonna
Uh-huh.
have her leave, but because I had the warrants, they went ahead and brought me here so we could separate.
All right, so what's your bond set at?
They told me it was 150, but then my aunt I think said that it was 300. I'm not
Okay.
sure. So I have no idea.
All
It's either
right.
one
And do you have
150 or
holds? Do
300.
you have holds on with any other jails or courts?
I do not.
Okay. Do you know why your license is suspended?
Yes, from a DUI more than 10 years ago. I just haven't just haven't had the money to actually pay and get everything back in order because I think I'm not even sure how much it is at this point.
All right. So I see at one time there was a recommendation. Um, they had an attorney recommendation um, for plead to all three and just face court cost of $70.50. Do you want to do that deal?
Oh, no, sir, I apologize that I didn't mean to enter that as the attorney recommendation. I was going to ask Mr. Cartwright if he had verification of insurance or registration. So that's my fault, Judge. I apologize.
Okay. Um, Never mind, Mr. Cartwright. So do you have a job, Mr. Cartwright?
I'm supposed to start was supposed to start working yesterday for a painting company, but I'm here. So
Yeah, well, unless you're painting inside, you're not painting.
yeah, it's interior.
Okay. So the woman that you had the argument with, are you living with her?
She's living with me. It's I own the home.
Okay. Well, I see that you've had, let me double check this again. All right, I see that you missed your original court date and today's the first time that we've seen you. So why didn't you come to your original court date?
The tickets that I had received for the what I'm here for now, I put them in the console of the vehicle that I was driving. I blew the engine in that car and I got it towed off and dealt away with, and I never seen the car again, and it completely slipped my mind. I had
Do you not live at the address that was listed on your tickets?
no, I do. I've lived there my entire life.
Well, then you would have had a letter sent to you. Our courts
Um,
send a letter anytime you fail to come to court 3 days afterwards.
I'm not sure if maybe somebody else got the letter, and because
Yeah,
I
well,
at that point I was my mother was living there. She's has deceased since then, so um I haven't personally received anything from the courts, but I know if I would have received it, I would have remembered and been aware. I'm sorry.
well, frankly, I don't believe a word you're saying, but
Oh,
I'm going to grant you an OR bond. Your next court date is going to be on um, March the 18th at 8 a.m.
Okay.
You don't show up this time, you're going to be sitting there a while.
Okay, Your Honor, I will be there. March 18th at 8 a.m.
Yep,
Okay.
you're done. Take out the headphones.
Thank you.
Next will be Elijah Hernandez on a different floor, different pod. I'll be
All
back.
right, good enough. Who's my clerk today?
It's Sherry.
Hey, Sherry, I don't see Elijah Hernandez. I see a my Emiera Hernandez.
Um, one moment, Judge.
Oh, I see him. I see him. My apologies. He's way up top.
Okay, yeah.
When is the appointed defense counsel seeing prisoners? What day?
Fridays.
Friday?
Uh-huh.
All right, this guy's, I'm going to appoint defense counsel to him. Bond is set at 500 and we'll put him on Friday.
So this Friday, the 7th?
Yeah, he's got a weapons charge he failed to come to court twice on.
All righty. March 7th at 1 o'clock, bond
Yeah.
500, ADC appointed.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Judge, pardon me for interrupting. Hernandez is going to be a no-show. He does not wish to see you. We made several efforts, and he is just going to stick to that.
All right, well, I don't really need to see him. I'm appointing a defense counsel to him. His bond is
Okay.
set at 500 and we're setting him
Okay.
for Friday.
Okay, sounds good. Sims Lopez is next. However, Ms. Love and I have been kind of working on a guy named John Ash. You may not know anything about it, but Ms. Love, I made a phone call. I'm going to double check right now. And when I get back with Ms. Sims, I'll have an answer about whether he went to county court or not.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you.
All right, thanks. On my way out.
Miss Love, I apologize. I couldn't find an open case for Miss Tanisha Lopez.
It's under Lopez.
Oh,
Yeah, it's under Lopez.
thank you, ma'am. Sorry
You're
about that.
welcome. No, you're fine.
What's she charged with, Sherry?
It looks like parked in a loading zone, sir, though I'm not Sherry. I apologize.
You're fine. One moment.
Now, the
Or,
problem
oh,
is my read just froze up and I can't get out of it without turning off the computer completely. So,
2 driving with license suspended, 1 seatbelt for 14 to 18, a failure to appear, and a seatbelt for an 18 or older, sir.
Mm-hmm.
But these violations look like they happened over three different dates.
okay. Driving while suspended, 1 seatbelt for a child, 1 seatbelt adult, and a FTA, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
September the 4th of 2020, June 2nd.
Which one's the driving while suspended?
That's September the 4th, 2020. And the other one is June the 2nd of 2021.
Is that the FTA also?
The FTA is November the 6th of 2021.
Would you check and see if she's ever shown up in court?
Let's see. She,
Whoa.
well, not really. She's, let's see, cancel warrant, December 6th, went back in the warrant December 9th. Cancel warrant in March of 2023, went back in the warrant April of 2023. Doesn't look like she's shown up.
Okay, she'll be a $500 bond. No, I take that back. 250 on the bond, appoint defense counsel, set Friday. And what's her name again?
It's Tanisha Sims Lopez, but it's Lopez in the system.
She also does have cases under Sims Lopez, ma'am. I'm sure you know that, but
I didn't show anything under Sims. Let me look again.
Sims-Lopez, ma'am. At least the date of birth looked the same to me.
I don't show anything that's open. Does she show anything that's
No,
open?
it's all closed, ma'am, but I
Yeah.
was just, yeah.
No, I know. I don't show anything that's open.
Who's this man that you're talking to?
I just like being extra polite to the clerks because it
What are
never
you trying
hurts
to say, Judge
anybody.
Ryan? Hey, Judge Ryan, Judge Whitman had the bond at 300 yesterday. You gonna keep it at 300?
Sorry, Sherry. Yes, let's do that.
Okay. Thank you.
Pardon me, Judge. Ms. Sims is on her way. Ms. Love, Ash did get taken out for his 1 o'clock county court hearing, so he's not going to be available.
Okay, no
That's fine.
problem.
All right, just a couple more seconds, minutes for Ms. Sims. Pardon me, Judge, Ms. Sims Lopez is here.
All right. All right, Ms. Sims Lopez, you have a driving on suspended from September 2020, a seatbelt violation, 2 seatbelt violations in 2021, and then a failure to appear issued to you in November of 2021. You have multiple failure to appears. Are you being held on any other charges at this time?
Yeah. Uh, uh, I was on, I don't know if I'm still on, if I'm still on, I know my 48-hour hold should have been up, I guess.
What was the 48-hour hold?
Uh, uh, theft, theft.
Okay. I'm going to appoint an attorney to represent you. Your bond is at $300 and your next court date will be Friday.
Okay.
And the reason is the driving on suspended does involve jail time and you failed to show up for that ticket twice after, I mean, it went to warrant. We canceled the warrant. It went to warrant again, canceled the warrant again, went to warrant again. So I don't think you're going to show up, and so we're going to
Yeah.
hold you until
Yeah.
it's resolved.
Um, it's not that. It's usually I show up for all my court dates.
Okay,
And so
well,
just,
we're done. So give the headphones back to the gentleman next to you.
Hi, Judge. She handed me the headphones.
Okay, is she on drugs or something?
I don't, she's been here long enough where that maybe it should have dried out. She's under no other
Okay, well,
restriction.
her bond is set at 300. She's being appointed defense counsel. Her next court date is Friday.
Okay, I'll relay that to her.
All right, thanks.